box. I had to go pick my box up at the post. No, this is not really a post office, but a pickup place, because apparently the mail person don't even buzz up to let you know that you have a package. I don't know when they're coming to look up for them, and I have to spend extra money to go pick this up. A lot of packaging here. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna reuse this. Okay, what is this in here? Okay, let's just cut this open here. I want to save my bubble wrap, so when I'm shipping stuff out, I have bubble wrap. What in the world is in here? Oh, jars. My goodness, are you kidding me? These jars are not. Okay, well, you know, jars are scarce now, so I guess you'll have to take what you get. Just gonna have to. Okay, I think I have some more jars. Oh yeah, for sure. I love these. I love these. I love those. In case you're wondering, I'm unpacking from Windy Point. It's a company here in Canada. And I think if you guys want to purchase this and you're in the US, you can check Wholesale Supply Plus, okay? Alright, so I got here, I have some SLSA and some cream of tartar because I would like to make some bubble bars. I haven't made bubble bars in centuries. Okay, it's been forever since I've made any bubble bars. Okay guys, I am so gonna go in on this coffee butter. Oh my god. Oh, the smell. It's in plastic bag, but the smell is delicious. I feel like having a Tim Hortons ice cap. Maybe I'll go get me an ice cap tomorrow. Ooh. Yes, coffee butter. Coffee butter. Some more butters. This is a shea butter. And I'm loving these containers, like seriously. I am in love with this container. And some citric acid for me to make me bath bombs. Coming up sometime soon. Okay, I have here some sodium hydroxide, and the container is sealed. It has a very good seal around it, and then they put it in the plastic bag because they don't have containers, I guess, to you know, with everything that's happening, companies don't have the proper containers. But that's good. It's well sealed in and nothing to worry about. Okay, I think this one has some. Boy, they really wrap stuff up this time. Wow. Ouch. Owie, owie, owie. Shit. You didn't hear that, did you guys? I just swear it. Fragrances. Cucumber mint. Bite Me, Nutty Nut. Let's take it out. Let's see. So here, cucumber mint. Let me tell you, this is like this smells so good. It smells incredibly good. Orange sugar and shea. This is really good if you like perfume scents. And more orange sugar and shea, and nutty nug. Okay, I have 2 big bottles here, and it's wrapped in real tight. So this is my glycerin. Yeah, I got 2 liters of that stuff because I need to make quite a few stuff that involve adding glycerin. So that's it, guys. That's it for my haul again from Windy Point. And thank you guys, Windy Point, for everything that you're doing. Thanks to all your employees for everything they're doing, coming to work to ship out our products. And please be patient, people. It's a hectic time for people. And be patient and be nice. I'm out.